Hi Pash. So this issue is related to add lead forms. I'm here on company settings lead form page, and I created one lead form with some fields where address and company type, company vendor type is mandatory, and rest of the fields are optional. Now I'm going to create a lead form. So since address is required field, I'll add that. I'll add company vendor name is then type. I'll select company and I'll save this. After saving this, I'm going to convert this to company, that is customer. So when I do that, I'm getting redirected to add vendor page and not add customer page. So this is happening in all cases, whether I select company or vendor, or only company on the lead form page. So it's taking me to the add vendor page and not add customer page. And after adding this, once I add this, it is getting the type is correctly getting selected, that is company, but the form it shows was add vendor and not add customer. Yeah, that's an issue. Thank you.